Hey there, Bonita National fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and we're previewing 28524 Longford Court here in Bonita National. This is the Stanford floor plan by Lennar, part of the Manor series. You get 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, a 3-car garage, and right around 2,250 square foot. So as we walk into the Stanford, directly to our left is going to be the first guest bedroom here. Notice the nice plantation shutters here on the windows. And then this room also has the ensuite bath, which is really nice. So you get the singular sink, the commode, and the standalone shower there. Coming back into the main entryway, this opens up towards our kitchen, great room, as well as your dedicated dining space here. Or we've actually also seen people utilize this room as a flex area. We've also seen it enclosed and made into a den as well. So lots of options here with this space here. Across from the dining area, you've got this huge kitchen here. So tons of space. You've got the island in the center here. You've got the tile backsplash, your wall oven and microwave. Then you've got the eat-in kitchen area right here. You've got your laundry space here with additional cabinetry, and then that would be your entry into your 3-car garage here, which these owners have added extra insulation on the garage doors there. Now coming back out into the kitchen area, again, all stainless appliances here with the wood cabinets. Plenty of space here at the kitchen countertop for multiple seating. And then you've got your great room area right here. And all of this is overlooking your kitchen as well. So directly behind me, we've got the other guest bedrooms. Here, they've replaced the carpet with the wood flooring here and made this into an office. Then you have across from it, the 3rd guest bedroom here. And then last but not least, you have the guest bath right here in the center, and you have the dual sinks here. And in this case, you have the combination tub and shower. Now coming straight across from the great room is the master suite. It's a really nice sized master here. And then you've got the master bath and closet. It's a really, really big closet, extends all the way down there. And you've got the wood shelving, which is really nice. And then here at the master bath, you've got your private enclosed water closet, your dual sinks, your soaking tub, and your standalone shower. Some folks I've seen that are not tub people take that tub out and extend the shower to make it a larger shower. But again, that's all personal preference. Now, last but not least, we have the exterior living space here. So you've got a nice under truss area here. You do have the summer kitchen, and then the pavered lanai space here. Here they also have the drop-down hurricane screen, as you can tell. And then also on the inside, they've got these drop-down screens here as well. That's really nice because this home faces west, so you're gonna get awesome sunset views from the back. And if you don't want the sun coming in, you can always drop down those screens and protect yourself in that manner. And then last but not least, we've got our pool and spa area. It's a really nice setup here. And again, you're overlooking a lake back there. So right past these hedges, there is a lake, which you probably can't see here from the video, but you could remove those hedges right there, and then that would give you the lake view. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, give us a call, contact us at any of the numbers below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.